Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a new contact on Motorola G15. Firstly, go into the Phones app, go into Contacts, and while you're in Contacts, tap on the Create New Contact at the top. Here. Now you have to choose where you would like to store your contacts to. It can be your device, your Google account, or your SIM card. You can change it later, by the way. And for this, I will choose my device. Okay, you can tap here to select a profile picture for this contact. I will choose a picture from gallery, and then you can crop it and rotate it and align it, and boom. Now tap on choose. You of course have fields like first name, last name, which are the most important, the company, and the phone number. So that's basically all. You don't even have to add a company, you can just tap here to delete it. And these are all of the most important things, just vital things to have if you would like to create a contact. Now of course, if you'd like to be like more exclusive, or I don't know how to call this, but yeah, just tap. You can add all other pools. Also you can add labels to things like phone number. You can label one phone number as work, you can add another phone number, and this one can be labeled as home. And then you can go into adding adding what fields, such as email. You can add few emails, the same it works as the phone number. So you can add a few emails and label it each one of them. Then you can add a birthday, like 2nd of June 2025. Okay, and then you can label it maybe the same as something custom, let's say an appointment. Okay, you can also add an address, add to label are just groups. You can have groups like work, family, friends, colleagues. It doesn't work on some of the devices, but on mine works, so we'll create those. Work and maybe friends, right? And now we can attach this contact to some of these groups. Let's say we'll attach it only to family, friends and work. Okay. You can also write notes, and if you tap on add fields, you will be able to add fields like middle name, phonetic pronunciation, prefix, suffix, nickname, job title, department, related people, and a website. So you can just tap here and it's going to pop up right there, and you can write something, or if you would like to discard it, just tap on the X to the right. Now if you've done everything correctly, you can just tap on save at the right corner, and now as you can see, here is our contact. Now if you would like to share some info about this contact, you can just simply press and hold the info that you would like to share and tap on copy to clipboard. Then you can just tap on this icon to send it to someone, or just paste it somewhere. Also, if you tap on the gear icon or just scroll a bit down, you can tap on share contact. Now select the information that you would like to share, and then tap on continue. Now a small file is going to be created that contains all of the selected informations, and you can choose here you can just send this file to someone. Yeah, so that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.